What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Cyborg Green from Rainbow Friends. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. We're going to start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then pull that back up towards the top. Let's draw that same size circle over on the right side. So we're going to line at the top. It's going to come in towards the inside, and then back up towards the top. Let's push the left pupil towards the inside. So we're going to start from the center, draw a smaller circle, going all the way around, and then back in, and then we'll fill the outside of the eye in black. Now draw a thick X across the inside of the right eye. Let's start from the top left, draw a straight angled line coming down, step up and draw that again. Let's close off the ends, and we'll fill in the inside. Let's add another line coming across in the opposite direction. So start on the top right, coming down, draw that again, close off the ends, and then we'll fill the inside. Let's draw on the top of the head. Let's start over on the left side, curve this up and out. For the top of the right eye, do the same thing. I'm going to close off the top with a curve, going up and then back down. Let's line up the right side of the head underneath the eye, curve the mouth coming down and out. Let's go across toward the left and bring that down. Let's go back over towards the right side, the bottom edge of the mouth. And then from the top corner, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down, and then we'll separate the teeth with 3 lines. Let's add a fold around the corner of the mouth. Starting from the top, bend this around, and then hook that in. Now underneath the left eye, bend the head coming down and then out, leaving a little overlap along the top. Now I'm going to bend the head coming back in towards the body. Starting on the left side, come in and then down. Let's go to the top right and come down towards the same height. Let's leave a gap and curve the body, coming in and then down towards the hip on both sides. And then from the hips, we're going to bend the legs, going out and then down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to come down and then bend that up. And go back over towards the left side. We're going to curve the leg going up, bend that in towards the middle. Let's round this out. Go across and then down towards the right. Let's place the right arm in between this gap. From this point, we're going to step up, bend the arm, going around and then down, and we'll bend that back out towards the hand. Let's add 3 long fingers on the end. So I'm going to round up the first finger, bend that in. On the bottom, we're going to do that again, going out and then in. Let's add 1 more finger on the bottom, going out and then in. And I want to follow this curve going back up and in behind the body. So go around, pull this up, and then just tuck that in towards the side. Now let's draw the left arm. From this point, we're going to step up, bend the arm, coming down, and then out towards the elbow. Now I'm going to overlap the forearm on top, stepping down, go out, and then up. Let's round out the edge of the hand, go all the way around, then come down the side, come all the way down, and then bend that in towards the elbow. Let's round out the elbow and pull this up in behind the body. Now let's go to the center of the hand and draw a circle. and it'll draw a larger circle in behind the hand. We'll start from the bottom left, we'll go all the way around, up towards the top, and we'll pull that in on the right side. Now I want to surround that circle with some blades. Let's start from the bottom left, bring this out and up, and we'll just taper that back in towards the circle. Now I want to repeat this pattern going all the way around the circle. And we'll separate the hand with a curve going down and up. Step down, draw that again, and do that 2 more times. Let's add a metal plate on the left side of the head. Starting from the center, come straight down, angle this down and out towards the left eye. Let's go to the bottom of the left eye, come down, and we'll pull this straight out. And we'll add some rivets, adding 2 along the bottom and then 2 on the top. Let's add a metal plate across the left side of the body. Starting from this point, go down and in, go up, angle this up towards the left. Now I'll follow that same curve going out towards the side of the body. Let's add a few rivets inside that plate. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Cyborg Green from Rainbow Friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.